if you are working in Final Cut Pro, then time to time you may need to jump to the beginning of the whole clip. So this is on clip. Right now my cursor is like this location, right? So if I need to position this thing at the beginning of this clip, then how can we do this thing? So there is a shortcut key. So let's see how we can do this thing. To do this thing, basically to jump at the beginning, we have to press the home key. And I know couple of you don't have the home key on your keyboard, but there is a easy solution for that. You just need to hold function key and left key together. So I'm going to press function key and left key all together, and see this cursor will be moved at the beginning. So I'm going to type now, I mean holding function key and then left arrow, and it is going to jump at the beginning. Now we can start playing this clip by pressing the spacebar to check whether the clip is working properly or not. I mean the edit work is done successfully or not. And that's it. In this way we can easily jump to the start to the timeline instantly by pressing that home key or function key and left key together.